Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm starting with my brows, just filling it in with my dark brown pencil.
You would have this on your phone.
Just to make sure it's perfect, even though I'm more natural when it comes to my brows. So I don't like it to be too dark. And once I'm done, I'm going to take my angled brush and go ahead and clean it up with my Collab concealer. So what I do is I dab the brush with the top of my concealer. Start on the end, work my way down,
That's what you said? I did.
and then continue at the beginning of my brow. And that is how I get a perfect brow. I really love my brows. Not too much, they're very easy. Like, I don't understand why people use so much, dip brow and stuff like that. It's really not necessary. It's the old-fashioned brush. Well, not the old-fashioned brush, but the old-fashioned pencil. I'm so stupid.
You do?
So right now, I'm just going in and making sure I'm blending that really.
Okay. I'm gonna put another song.
Really don't know why, because I'm gonna have to add concealer at the bottom. So it's just pointless.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty in 425. I'm not sure if it's 425, but I'm gonna put it in the description. And I'm going to clean the top of my brow up with using my same color foundation.
Okay. I eat.
So a little disclaimer, guys, my skin was going through it at the time, so just don't mind it.
Belly button crumb.
I promise next video my skin will be on point like it usually
Belly
is.
button crumb.
So I'm just making sure everything is even, no patches. And that is my perfect brow. Okay, so I already did the other one off camera. So right now I'm going in with that same Fenty Beauty in 425 and just putting it all over my face. Now with the Fenty Beauty, I really love the Fenty Beauty, but as you're gonna be able to tell, it really looks like your skin. Once you blend it in, it's not gonna really look like you have too much of coverage. I mean, that's how I like it though, because I love natural makeup. I love looking natural, especially because I'm doing a really bold eyeshadow. So I'm just letting you guys know. I did add some on my frontal, guys, because this was like a 3-day old frontal, and it needed to be re-glued and all of that stuff, and it was looking crazy on camera. So I said, okay, let me add some foundation to make this look a little better. As you can see, it's coming off on the side, but right now I'm going in with my Real Techniques buffing brush and blending everything out. So like I said, it's going to really look like my skin. I love it, by the way. I'm not saying nothing's wrong with it, but to each his your own. Making sure I get it on my edges, everything blended out well.
No. Dinosaurs don't. No reason. Don't exist. That's how easy, y'all. Dinosaurs? I get that.
So I already did my concealer for my eye off camera. So right now I'm going in with a hot pink color from my Beauty Glaze palette. I should have showed you guys, but I will try to insert a picture. So I'm going in with that hot pink color all above my crease and on my actual crease. I'm really new to eyeshadow, so this was kind of like me trying something new for the first time on camera, and it actually came out great. So I'm just going to keep blending that hot pink color on my crease and on above my crease. Now I'm going to speed this part up because I'm really doing the same thing. I'm just going to keep adding that same color until it's pigmented enough to where I want it to be. So I'm going in with a flatter brush, and I'm going to take that red, that hot red, and blend it all on my lid. So this part was a little tricky only because I feel like I needed to add more concealer so that it would show more, even though, it was already concealer on it. So it kind of took me a while to get that color to actually show. I'm packing it on, and making sure I'm blending as well.
You can do anything you put your mind to. Go ahead. Yep. Wait, go back a little bit more. Go back a little bit more. Yep. It did it. Wait.
And I'm going to keep doing the same process until I feel like it's perfect. The liberty of doing my other eye off camera because sometimes I mess up. So right now I'm going in with my Collab concealer in Mocha
For several reasons.
and
One
highlighting my
being,
under eye and my
obviously,
chin.
the fans were getting buck wild outside on the balcony.
Knocking on our door, ringing our doorbells a million times.
We just, it was almost impossible.
I thought about doing my forehead, but I said no, I don't usually do that.
How loud the fans were outside. Like, they were yelling Ace Family as we were
So I'm
filming.
gonna
So while
take
we were filming,
my
you would hear, "Ace Family
Real
as well."
Techniques
Like, it
brush
was
and
too
go
much.
ahead and blend that out under my eye. I really love using a brush to blend out my under eye. It's better to me.
Yeah.
It gives me a more flawless look, if I may say. But that's just my preference. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend everything out on both sides.
We have no movement. Everybody stayed below the window.
So we decided to move to a home. Yeah. Yeah. But we didn't know. Yeah. Yeah. And that was one of the biggest conversations we had moving into a home. Was it like, do we move to a gated community or do we just move into a low-key home with a gate in front of it? Are we safe that way?
And so we did make
Now
that
I'm going in with that same brush, and I'm going to use my Benign Sienna powder to bake under my eye
very top of the mountain, last house on the cul-de-sac.
and on my chin as well.
Trying to picture it in my head of what we were thinking when we did it, because thinking back, it was the worst mistake we could have probably ever done. But like you said, you never know where you're gonna end up. It was a great investment in our business, right?
I just feel like.
Did you feel that way?
Well, when we moved in, I was like, we're gonna be here for a while.
Yeah.
We're gonna be here for a while.
So I'm going to go ahead and set under my cheekbone with that Benign sienna powder just to create the illusion.
Yeah, we just house definitely was when we realized that we couldn't just leave our house and do normal living. Let's show them the backyard. So many kids.
Eyeshadow popping. Okay, so right now I'm going to take a flatter brush and I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. That is one thing I do contour because I love my little small nose and I love making it look a little thinner than it usually is. So I'm going to go ahead and contour that and blend that out. I did set everywhere I contour with that same benign sienna powder. And now it is time to dust off all of that excess powder. In circular motions, make it. Now it's time to highlight, so I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant highlighter. So I'm going to take my RK by Kiss, my eyeliner glitter, and put a little bit under my waterline, just to give like a little Asian doll vibe going on, you know.
Then 34th Street and 9th Avenue, and added more products. Lighting, binoculars, telescopes, audio, video, tripods, computers, printers, mobile, televisions, projectors, drones, and even more free candy. Now it's 3 stories and over 400,000 products.
I'm gonna go in with my mascara for my bottom lashes. It's also Collab. I got it from Sally's. Now to set my face with my Palladio finishing spray. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.